Today we are starting at Porta Nuova. It's a historical city gate of Palermo, also known as City Gates of Eagles. It was built 1583 to celebrate the emperor's conquest of Tunis. It got actually rebuilt 1669 after a fire. Palazzo dei Normanni is the highlight for us Normans. It's today Sicilian Regional Assembly, but inside you find Cappella Palatina, and this is something you can't miss if you're here in Palermo. It's the Royal Chapel built 1130, commissioned by Roger II of Sicily, and the mosaics were finished 1140 to 1170, and everything is built in Byzantine and Norman style, and the mosaics portray saints, flora and fauna, also daily life and animals. This place is absolutely breathtaking. Norman Royal Gardens, Giardini Reali dei Normanni. It actually has finally opened to the public again, with exotic flora and fauna from all over the world. The classical music in the garden hides the noise from the Palermo traffic. Porta Felice. It's another city gate, but by the seaside, completed 1637, in Renaissance and Baroque style. It was actually destroyed during World War II, but rebuilt. So the markets that Palermo is famous about, but the classical old markets, to be honest, are not anywhere the same as 15 years ago when I came to Sicily. So I just walked by this market because I booked a Michelin star lunch at Gagini. I put the link below. But on Sunday I found a really nice food market. It's later in the video.